Ready to supercharge your business communication with Wati, but not sure how to pick the perfect plan? First, log into your Wati account. Once you're in, navigate to your profile settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or looking for a settings menu option. In the settings menu, locate the billing or subscription section. Click on it to access your plans and payment options. Here, you'll see a comprehensive overview of all the available Wati plans. Take your time to carefully review each plan and its features. Think about your business needs and which plan aligns best with your communication goals. Factors such as the number of agents, message volume, and included features should influence your decision. Once you've identified the plan that's right for you, click the Choose Plan or Subscribe button, usually prominently displayed under each plan. You'll then be directed to a secure payment gateway. Here, you'll need to enter your payment details, such as your credit card information, or select your preferred payment method. Be sure to double-check all the information for accuracy. After filling in your payment details, click on Confirm Purchase or Subscribe Now button. And that's it. Once the payment is successfully processed, you'll receive a confirmation message. Your Wati plan is now active, and you can start leveraging its powerful features to enhance your business communication. Happy messaging!